In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel orders on eBay. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply made a mistake while ordering, eBay makes it relatively straightforward to cancel your orders, provided you act quickly. Let's dive into the process, ensuring each step is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to eBay's website. When you arrive at ebay.com, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account. If you're not logged in already, look for the Sign In button on the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in. It's crucial you're logged into the correct account associated with the order you wish to cancel. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the My eBay section. Hover over My eBay using your mouse cursor and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Purchase History. This section is where all your recent transactions and order details reside. After entering the Purchase History page, you'll see a list of all your transactions. Scroll through this list to locate the specific order you'd like to cancel. If you have numerous purchases, you might find the search or filter functions handy to quicken this process. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed the order you want to cancel for clarity and to avoid any unintentional cancellations. Next, for the chosen order, look for the More Actions button. Clicking this button will expand a menu of further options related to your purchase. Among these options, you'll see Cancel Order. Select this to move forward in the cancellation process. Once you've clicked Cancel Order, eBay will guide you to the next step, where you'll need to confirm your intention. This is a critical moment. Before proceeding, ensure that canceling this order aligns with your needs or desires, because depending on the seller, the cancellation might be irreversible. If you're certain about your decision, the last step is to confirm by clicking Submit. This action sends your cancellation request, and you should receive a notification regarding the status of your cancellation shortly after. Do keep in mind that the ability to cancel an order can depend on whether the item has already been shipped by the seller. The sooner you initiate this process, the better. And that's it. You've successfully canceled an order on eBay. Whether it was a case of buyer's remorse or an accidental purchase, knowing how to swiftly cancel helps keep your buying experience smooth. Remember, eBay's customer service is also available if you encounter any issues during this process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping. Or canceling.